Are you looking for a hydrangea plant to consider as a new plant element for your garden landscape? Then I highly recommend to you this Oakleaf Hydrangea. There's so many varieties of Oakleaf hydrangeas, but this particular Oakleaf hydrangeas that I have in my yard is called ruby sleepers. The flower starts with a white flower during the early stage, and then it will turn into a pinkish color. By late summer, it will turn into a reddish color. So you could see the flowers of this one reddish right now. Apparently, this particular oak leaf that I have in my yard, I heavily pruned it last year. That's the reason why some of the branches doesn't have flowers, because oak leaf hydrangeas, they flowers from the old stem. Oak leaf hydrangeas belongs to the hydrangeacea family, and they are beautiful because they are all year season of interest, because the leaves are oak leaf like. During springtime, it starts with green leaves. By late summer, starting to change the color into a red maroon color. We have 2 more weeks before it's fall, and by fall, these leaves will totally turn into a reddish maroon color. The reason why I recommend this oak leaf hydrangea, because of its all seasons interest, and also because they are carefree. They're easy to care. They are more drought resistance. They are not so picky. Make sure you plant them in a good draining soil. They are carefree after that, and I don't water them that much as compared to their other cousins. That's why I recommend it to you, because of those advantages. And this is another plant that I have over here, because it's almost close to fall. Sometimes the flowers will turning into brown, especially when you water it, because I've watered the flowers. Make sure you don't water the flowers. And also, the reason why I recommend this one is because bees loves them. Planted 4 of them in my yard, and these plants can be easily propagated by cuttings and by divisions too. You could also divide the plant. Here's another plant that I have. Can reach up to 5 feet to 6 feet tall. There are new varieties now that are more in a dwarf form. Oakleaf hydrangeas can be planted in zones 5 to 9, and the flowers can also be used as a beautiful for making a flower arrangement. And also you could dry the flowers too as a dried flowers. You will have an abundant flowers. Plant them in full sun, and I recommend mulch them by using like maybe a bark. And another interest for this plant is the stems or the trunk of this plant will have a cinnamon flaking skin or bark on it. Now I'm going to show you a flower arrangement that I made by using an Oakleaf Hydrangea flowers. And I hope that this episode provides you an informed on making the right selection of what kind of hydrangea plant that you are going to add it in your garden landscape. Please provide comments if this episode helped you in your decisions. Let me know and see you on my next videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.